For laymen in their daily life, they need to follow Brahma Vihara, Metta, develop goodwill towards others, and also Karuna, compassion to the others, and Mudita, sympathetic joy to the good person higher than us. And also we need to practice Upekha, equanimity. For this full practice, you need to practice forgiveness and patience. Based on patience and forgiveness, you can practice this full Brahma Vihara. If you practice full Brahma Vihara, you can solve the daily problem.